looks like the SPY is just holding this 420 level. It seems to be a magic number for the SPY, and the Qs have gone green again.
It's 420 level here, as you see.
Yeah.
IWM is also reading back. You sold some TZA, so you're making money.
Yeah.
You're short TZA. Good morning, everybody. What a crazy trading day. Market is selling off, continuing selling off like last couple of days. Bitcoin is down, equities are down, everything is down, oil is down. So we'll see some nice trading opportunities. Obviously, the volatility is amazing. So I had a pretty good day. I traded AMD thanks to our buddy Brian. AMD got an upgrade this morning, or over the weekend, and the price target went up. So everything is down, but AMD popped up. So at the open, just few minutes before the open, AMD popped up, and that's what Brian always loves to see, in the last 2-3 days, how the stock is trading. And he went, at this drop, he went long at 89.40, and then he called it. I usually wait for 1 minute, but this one was so strong and just touched the weaver, came back up, and I just jumped in there from 89.60, popped up all the way up to 91.50. I added a few times and didn't work, and I got stopped out at the break even, and turned out to be a very, very, very nice trading day for me, AMD. And I should have really stopped trading, and that was it for me. I don't care about the market is going up and down. IWM 2%, Qs 2%, SPY 2%. I don't care really, and I should have stopped that. But I did trade a little bit of TQQ on Twitter, that's what happened. So TQQ bounced back from this level. I went long, and I thought that maybe we're gonna go green. We didn't. I got stopped out, and then it came down, and we had this double bottom. I went long again at 40.40, popped up, added more at 41 to 41.30, and then I got stopped out. And now it's gonna bounce back. There's a good chance that Qs actually go green because they're really, really nicely holding up this level. So overall, I was green on TQQ. Twitter was a piece of garbage. Unfortunately, I really shouldn't have traded Twitter. There you go. Oh yeah, Qs are gonna go green right now. Oh yeah.
Nice. Yeah.
I wish I was there, but I think TQQ is gonna go green for the day. There's a rip coming in all markets, IWM, SPY. So we'll see how it goes. And yeah, that's it for me. That's for me. No more position. AMD, TQQ, and Twitter. Qs were a mistake. I tried to go TQQ, but by mistake I pressed the QQQ. So that's nothing. Oh yeah, Qs went green. And that was my trading day. Brian, how was your trading? I know thanks to you, AMD was amazing.
Yeah. No, and just what I liked about AMD going into the open was we had that last. You said days, but I look for that those sort of initial moves in the last couple of minutes just before the open.
Yeah.
And AMD was giving us a good indication that it was going to sort of be strong into the open. So waited for that pullback and then took it long. So. Yeah, that turned out to be a really good trade, and looks like the SPY is just holding this 420 level. It seems to be a magic number for the SPY, and the Qs have gone green again.
It's 420 level here, as you see. IWM is also ripping back. You sold some TZA, so you're making money there, huh? You were short TZA, so which means you're long TNA.
No, I went long TZA when it sort of broke out, and then I sold it. I sold half of it at 38.27, and then when it started to drop again, I sold it back, sold the rest of it back at break even, 38.10. So but now I'm out of it. But I'm looking at possibly. We'll see what happens here. I think we have to give it a little more time just before to see if we can establish a trend, rather than just sort of being a chop fest here.
Yeah, excellent. So Ardi had a trade overnight on TLT for a reversal on them, and he got that. So Ardi had a really nice, I think it was an option position, Ardi, huh? Yeah, it was a risk reversal. If you want to know exactly the strategies, go check out the Education Center. Ardi has put a full Education Center on educations and everything in there. I know Thor had a really nice short on Twitter in the morning. Where is Thor? Where is Twitter? No, Thor is here. Where is Twitter? Yeah. So I know, yeah. So I know Thor had a really nice short here at the open, I think. And overall, it turned out to be a very, very interesting, amazing day for me. I mean, last week I turned red, but this week hopefully we'll make it back. Qs are, yeah, very, very green, and unfortunately I'm not in TQQ. So the situation in the market is just a chaotic lockdown in China right now. You know, there's supply chain again issues, more inflation. Bank of, you know, Federal Reserve are increasing the rate, and you know, there are a lot of uncertainty right now in the market. So we'll see how it goes. It's very, very interesting, and it's a very interesting time to be alive to see this market.
Yeah, that's for sure.
So UVXY is dropping. All right, guys, thank you so much. And yeah, today, for those of you, a couple of announcements, guys. The very, very limited seats left on Peak Capital Trading, guys. If you're interested in working 3 months with us to develop your trade book, this is the last chance. We start May 7th, and I think we have only a couple of seats left. Norm knows exactly the number. But what's the purpose of this bootcamp? Is we're helping you to build 1 or 2 trade book, and you know, learn how to actually execute that, and that's the most important element of our training program. So that's one thing. Thor would be teaching his advanced modules, all of the volume price analysis in there. Plus, yeah, everything is online. All the classes are recorded. Most of them are in the afternoon. There's this Slack and private group in there that you guys can be in touch with. There, Brian W is going to help you set up with your DAS and all of the advanced hotkeys and everything. So it's a very unique, and we priced it really reasonable. So in a way, yeah, that's you know, it's not a crazy price for such a bootcamp. Usually, it's for other, you know, people are usually between $5,000 to $10,000, but we price it just only $1,500 for 3 months, which includes 3 months of simulation and journaling tool. Yeah, so that's it. It's all online. It's all in the evening, all recorded, and it's like a semi-private mentorship sessions. All right. So other than that, onboarding session. If those of you who want to know what's going on and what is this, onboarding session is the one that you gotta attend. Carlos and Mike are gonna walk you through that, and yeah, if you're not a member, you know, just feel free to like or subscribe. If you have any question, andrew@verbal-traders.com. Just keep it green, guys. TQQ is ripping. That's what we want.
Yeah.
Cheers.
So we like to see.